Hey guys, D7 here with Grok Trade, and it is Hump Day, Wednesday, December 6, 2017, and the market's in the day mix. We have a lot to talk about. Bitcoin smashes 13,000. Here we are. Spider break even, diamonds down a little bit. NASDAQ tech stocks up 0.5%, but we went down the same for Russell's 2000. Financials down 0.4%. US dollar slightly higher, but crude oil down 3%. A big drop. We put a sell on that today. Gold down, silver down almost a full percent. VIX though down 2.7%, and then we have Bitcoin up 12% after the close of the market. We are now over 13,000. Let's start with the Spider. Take a look at this. Spider, we have this nice uptrend. Nice little bull pullback to the rising moving average. This is starting to look bullish. This would be a time to be looking for some bullish plays. Diamonds down. It's just a bull pullback. This is very healthy for the markets. A lot of sell pressure though last couple of days. Look at the NASDAQ. We are bouncing off of a major area of support. Look for that to bounce higher. I think that we're going to have a buy here. Oh boy. I think I'll probably put a buy on it tomorrow if we do rally. But I'm flying out of here. I'll be East Coast, and we're Pennsylvania is where I'm heading. Any people from Pennsylvania listening? Russell's 2,000. Russell's to 1,000. We come down. I'm not going to put a sell on it yet because we're still above the 20-day moving average rising. I think that we're going to get a bounce. We're at a lot of support right now. Crude oil, though, big sell because we broke support. There it is. Bam! To the downside. Bad news. Gold. Yesterday we had a sell on it, and today it's a sell, but we're at a major area of support. Will we bounce from this support? We might bounce from the support. That's an area that we're watching. It's an area we're watching. Silver. Let's go to silver. Silver, I had a sell on it, and we continue, but it broke a big time area of support. Look at this. Look at this. We're down below this trend line. And this trend line goes back here to December 2015. So that's 2 years ago that trend line, and then it goes over here to July of this year, and that is what we broke today. Ouch. VIX volatility, I have it going higher. I'm good with my buy call on that. But Bitcoin, guys, I put a buy on Bitcoin on November 15th, and I did that around $7,200, 72. We have almost doubled in price since my call on that. Huge run. Bitcoin, because Wall Street's getting involved, like right now, it's happening. It's going to be traded on the CME for futures. Wall Street's coming in. That makes Bitcoin legit. It is here to stay. People thought that Bitcoin would get to 10,000 by the end of the year. Well, that happened earlier in the last month. Then we hit 11,000. People thought maybe by Christmas 12,000. We are already past 12,000. Today we're at 13,000, and we are marching higher. This is an exponential run to the upside, guys. So exciting. I own Bitcoin, guys. I own it, and I am owning more and more. I have friends that are making they have become millionaires, buddies of mine, who are in Bitcoin before I was, well before me. Here's the bottom line. There's only 21 million Bitcoins that will be created. 17 million are in circulation. Japan, they're saying upwards of 40% of the transactions with Bitcoin today is from the Japanese. They are backing it as a government big time. Venezuela, Zimbabwe, they are using it as legal tender at this moment just to help out their economies. We are seeing government acceptance of Bitcoin. I've done my research. I see that in certain areas on Subway, you can use Bitcoin in Subway, Verizon to refill cards. You have Dish Network. You have cheapair.com. You have a bunch of the travel sites doing it now. You have Wikipedia doing it. I've amassed a huge list of people utilizing Bitcoin for goods and services. That's really important for us to know, because people are saying this is a bubble, bubble, bubble. It's only a bubble if there is not anything of substance supporting the value of this. The value has to do with demand, supply and demand. There's only so much supply, so the demand will only rise from here. The more people want Bitcoin and talk about it, the higher this price is going to go. Remember, not too long ago, I said Bitcoin at 11,000. I said it's the last time, chances are really good, that's the last time you'll ever be able to get in on Bitcoin at 11,000. And now we're at 12, now we're at 13. The question is, you know, the market always does this. So when it pulls back, how much will it pull back before people say that's a good deal and they start buying more and more and more? Anyway, I'm getting into it in a big way. I found a service that does multiply my coins. So it's not just buying coins. You can do that just about anywhere. You can buy your coins and hold them. But this is where I can invest my Bitcoin to multiply my Bitcoin. And I have the link in the description box. There's a lot of groups out there, a lot of scams out there, a lot of places. Everybody's being called a Ponzi scam. I get it. I understand there's risk in trading. Been doing it 20 years. You have to do your due diligence. You have to understand what you're doing. And if you want to get in on it, do your own homework, do your own research. But you know, the link's in my description of what I'm doing. It's an affiliate link. Feel free to look at it if you want to. But I'm doing it. I'm loading up on it. I'm getting into the Bitcoin market. So I own Bitcoin, but I'm utilizing a service to help multiply my Bitcoin. And so that's what I'm doing. You can do whatever you want to. Now, if you're going to get into cryptocurrency, just make sure that you're not investing so much that if something bad happens, that it's going to hurt you financially. Only do enough that you feel like is worth your time being in, but not so much that you're going to take a hit, okay? Because anything can happen in the markets. We know that in stocks and options and futures and commodities, in the currency world, Forex, anything can happen. But Bitcoin, my friends, with my analysis and my review, it's here to stay. It's not going to get any cheaper. It's only going to go higher. The question now is, will we hit 25,000 by Christmas? With Wall Street getting involved, I think we have a really good chance of hitting 25,000. So it's doubling in price in the next few weeks. I believe that is a very real possibility. So mathematicians and individuals out there and in the cryptocurrency world, they're saying that within 5 to 10 years, cryptocurrency for Bitcoin will be between $500,000 to $1 million. It's anybody's guess if it'll rise that quickly in 5 to 10 years. But I think the track that we're on right now is showing that there's a lot of interest. A lot of interest. One thing to be watching for is you can start to see that there will, in fact, be more volume flowing into this. The GBTC is up, had a lot of turbulence the last few days, but it's still strong. This is a good buy opportunity with GBTC, which is an ETF. It's a trust, but it gives you exposure to Bitcoin and in the crypto market. So there you are. Now, the weekend edition I will not be doing. Hopefully I can get Mark DeMeerkat to do it, because I will be traveling. And I'll be back by Monday to do the Monday video. So there it is. So anyway, hope all is well with you guys. Happy holidays. Merry Christmas. It's that time of season. And It's a joyous time, and we really like to celebrate it here in my household, and hopefully you guys too. So hope all is well. And if you want to do a mentorship with us, we got some coming up this January. So feel free to go to groktrade.com and check that out. Catch you later. Bye.